Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I have a different product for you. This is dock for Mac Mini M1 chip. Well, you can use with any other Mac Mini also. Well, if you're someone who just recently purchased Mac Mini, maybe you have encountered this problem already that your storage is almost full and you might have to buy a cloud storage or things like that. In my case, here you can see already my Macintosh space is done. Basically, I have just 30 GB free, and which is not enough for me. And what you can do in this situation, there's definitely few options available, and this one I really like the most. So in this case, you can see your data is a lot, and data is run by your Mac Mini itself. You can't control it. This is not the files you're just putting in there. This is the way it works. And let's say, for example, for Final Cut Pro, if you download a movie clips to edit it, when you transfer it to Final Cut Pro, it creates a copy of it, and then finally it creates another copy where it's combined them together and give you a final copy of your project. So basically, for every single movie, it's gonna create 3 of those files, and that's something you can't control. You can control later on, but not that time. So here it is. This is called agptek dock. You can find it on Amazon. I will put the link below. This is pretty simple product, and few things I like about this product. First of all, the look of this. It's look like it's made for Mac Mini, but it's looks like it's made by Apple itself. The color is identical completely, and the design is identical completely. Here in the front, it has USB ports, 2 USB type 3 and 2 just simple USB, and SD card slot on the side, just nothing. On the back, again USB type C. I wish it had more USB type C in the front, but unfortunately it does not have it. But what you end up with having just one available, because one of this will occupy with this dock itself, and so you will have one remaining on your Mac Mini. Just keep that in mind. And there's an enclosure in the back for your SSD drive. Make sure it's 2.5-inch SSD drive. It won't take anything else, and in my case I put 2 TB, and once you have that, you guys can use it anytime after that. What else it has in the back box is just simple USB cable, which you need to connect from Mac Mini to this dock, and some tape and a screw and a screwdriver. And you don't need a screwdriver actually. In my case, I didn't need it. It snaps on pretty well, the cover. But if you guys want to make it more secure, go ahead and do it. And this is the paperwork. It's pretty simple anyways. Just if you really need to understand more a little bit, that's okay. You can use this paperwork. Now the first thing you need to do is, once you attach it, you have to go to your utility, and after that you need to go to your disk utility. And once you are there, it will take some time to read and everything. And once you're there, you can see it's already showing on the left hand side, and the reason is because I already did this process. So what you need to do is just erase everything, and you can name it whatever you want to. In my case, I'd name it dock, and then you can select the file type. Format type is AFF S. In my case, I prefer this. And once you do that, you erase it, go ahead, and then after that it will show on the right hand side on your desktop, and from right there it's like always available disk for you. If I find something where Mac Mini can take it as internal, I will see if I can find something like that away. I can definitely post it, and for that you need to subscribe to my channel, please, so that way once I post it, you get this. And you can see right here in the front is already connected. The fit and finish is perfectly fine. The light is so identical actually. There's another blue light that is for if it's working, and there's a SD card slot, things like that. There's a little bit gap, but that's not because of the dock itself, it's because of Mac Mini. It's a rubber base, and that's all. So guys, that was my review and the process you need to do when you install this dock with your Mac Mini. If you have any question, please drop the comment in a drop section below and I will be more than happy to answer it. Thank you. Bye bye.